Hello guys! Today most people own a computer, and sometimes we have to take the computer to the maintenance worker due to a bug in the system or virus control on the computer. This requires money and time, which may adversely affect our job. Now simply we can do it alone installing a new copy of Windows. Now you can save money and time and fix your computer alone. This will be through simple steps we will do together. Now you will be able to install Windows on your own laptop without any help from anyone.